Child Life Volunteer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make egg carton turtles. I hope you like it.
What you will need to make your egg carton turtles are a liquid glue of your choice, a cutout egg carton shell, a pack of crayons or another pack of coloring utensils, a green pom-pom, 2 googly eyes, and 5 cutout strips of pipe cleaners, with one being a little shorter than the rest.
Next, we are going to be taking each of our pipe cleaners and folding them in half, like so. And then once they're folded in half, we're going to take the 2 ends and twist them around each other just one time to get them secure. So it's going to look like this. For this next step, we are going to be putting a drop of glue on the end of our leg, like so. And then we're going to take our egg carton shell and press that glue against the inside rim of that shell. And then we will hold it here until it dries. Now that our leg has dried, we are going to go ahead and repeat that step with the 3 remaining long pipe cleaners to the other 4 areas of the egg carton shell. Once all 4 legs are on like so, you're going to take your smaller pipe cleaner and place it in between any pair of legs to add a tail. And now we are going to make the head of the turtle. So we're going to take our green pom-pom and our 2 googly eyes, and we are going to place a drop of glue on the back of each of our googly eyes. And then we are going to press this on our pom-pom, like so. And then we'll hold dry until it dries. For this last step, we are going to be gluing our pom-pom onto our turtle. And so first, we're going to take our egg carton shell and find where our tail is. And our tail is here, so we're going to glue the head and the pom-pom on the opposite side of where the tail is. So we're going to glue our pom-pom here. And so we're going to flip the pom-pom over on the opposite side of where the googly eyes are. And we are going to put some glue on that pom-pom. And then we are going to stick the pom-pom onto our egg carton shell like so, and hold it there until it dries. And finally, once the glue dries, your egg carton turtle is now ready to play with. I hope you like this video. Bye!